What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when Discord keeps cutting out or lagging during voice chats. Mic issues on Discord can be super frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of a conversation and people can't hear you clearly. First, start with the basics. Unplug your microphone and then plug it back in. This sounds simple, but it can often reset the connection and fix minor hardware or driver glitches. Next, open Discord and go to your user settings, which you will find in the bottom left corner next to your username. In the settings menu, scroll down to the app settings section and click on voice and video. Here, make sure the correct input device is selected from the drop-down menu. If you are not sure which one is correct, try testing each option by speaking and watching the input activity bar. Also, turn your input volume all the way up to ensure Discord is getting a strong signal from your mic. Now, scroll down to the input sensitivity section. If it's currently set to manual, try enabling automatically determine input sensitivity and speak into your mic to test it. Discord will adjust the sensitivity based on your voice level. If that doesn't help, disable the auto option and set it to manual. Then, move the slider to the left so that your mic picks up even quieter sounds. This can help avoid situations where Discord is cutting off parts of your speech. Once you've made these adjustments, test it out on a voice channel or call to see if the problem has improved. If the problem still persists, it might be worth checking your microphone drivers or testing the mic on another app or device to rule out any hardware problems. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.